So, what's up, guys? We came back to my hometown, and
Too much.
I have
У нас Витя
I
лепил.
Too
have
much.
I have my Chinese girl
Вить,
right here,
расскажи, что ты у нас лепил
and my
пельмени.
mom, and they're cooking
Папа фарш делал,
And
я
they're
тестом
cooking.
занималась.
dumplings.
А Оля с Витей лепили.
Guys, if you know how to cook dumplings,
Готовили.
write down your
Выходной
best
день.
recipe, like what ingredients do you like in your dumplings. So what ingredients are there? What ingredients are there?
Mainly is pork,
Pork. What else? Onion,
onion, a little bit onion,
a little bit
and
onion,
and a
a little-
and beans.
and beans.
Yeah, this one.
Show me.
This
This one.
one.
These beans. Okay, nice.
Так, а это куда?
My mom speaks Russian. Mom, can you say hello?
Так, где
Hello,
ложка?
mom. Can you
Витя,
say
где
hello,
ложка?
everyone?
Ложка где?
Say hello, everyone. Go.
Витя,
I give you.
слипнуться.
I give you.
Ложку дай.
She asked me where's my spoon. I tell her I will. I give you the big one.
У тебя одна ложка? Давай.
I have another one. You're welcome.
Да что нас показывать? Я распадла, как это.
Да ничего страшного. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. So, wow. I was living alone here for a long time. I'm too hungry. Wanna eat. Last one. Let's see. Let's see how can you
Так,
cook it.
время засекаешь. Витя,
Да, я сейчас засекаю.
засекай
My
время,
mom
когда мы
says me. She
положили.
says me. Check the time. Oh, that's how you do it. Show me.
How I did it.
Another one.
Another one.
And another one.
Ты время засек.
Да, засек one.
Okay.
That's what we have there. Let me
Too
double
many
check.
dumplings.
Two.
Опа.
It's okay.
Давай мою руки.
It's enough.
I wash my
Все.
Yeah, sure. I check time.
А это мы
So-
сделаем вареники.
So how long should it take? How many minutes
How many minutes?
to boil?
Ведь сделай немножко меньше.
Yeah, I will. How many minutes to cook?
Sure, I see.
Maybe 20.
No need 20 minutes. I think
Maybe less.
less.
Okay. All right. Let's eat. Let's record another part when we're already gonna eat it.
Все.
When we will eat it. Then,
Витя, помешай еще, пожалуйста.
сейчас. My mom asked me to mix it. Я сейчас время смотрю. She says I need to check the time. 21:44. Okay. 21. Can you do this for me? Do you know this song, guys? Oh, how many minutes should it take? Сколько времени это варится?
Ну сделай меньше, ты что, Витя?
Сколько времени? How many minutes, mom? How many
Вот так
minutes?
хотя бы.
Сколько, мам, минут?
Ну, минут 25.
She says
Мясо
25 minutes. I'm going to adjust this thing. You see, guys? I think it's okay. Wow. Mom, can you mix it? Помешай.
Снимай.
Пожалуйста.
Чё?
Mix it, please. With a spoon. Ложку возьми, пожалуйста. Please, we need mix it.
Как они получатся.
What's wrong? It's ready. Готово? Not yet. Еще не
Нет.
готово.
Сколько минут как
А,
заложили?
21:44. I check the time.
I
44
think,
минуты. How many minutes we should?
Сколько времени прошло?
Maybe 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Надо, чтобы было мясо
I
видно
want to buy some
прозрачно.
sauce. I don't.
Это же
To buy
мясо.
some soups?
Sauce.
Sauce. Ah, sauce. I get you.
Yes, can add.
Okay, I can buy it.
Go to outside buy.
Yeah, we can go later.
Let's go.
Let's go right now
Yes.
to buy some sauce.
Витя.
Мам, можешь? Она хочет соус купить здесь рядом.
А, чё? Чё мне?
We're going to.
No, I don't know. Just,
Wow, who give you this?
you.
Me
You give me this.
and this.
You.
And this is your present. This
I
is
give to you.
wow. I'm so happy. Damn, purple is so good. The first time I had this one, but it was made in. Let me find. Guatemala. If you guys from Guatemala, thank you for your job. Well done. Okay, it's good. So, what kind of sauce you want to buy? Soy sauce.
Soy sauce, yes.
Soy sauce is good.
It's okay. You can.
Maybe I can go, or I
Do you
can.
want to add some soy sauce?
Yeah, because I know we need
Sure.
some. I know we need some.
Maybe will tasty.
It will be better for sure.
Let's go.
Let's go to buy some soy sauce.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Bye-bye.
So bye. Okay, we're going to buy some soy sauce.
Так, Вить,
Да.
давай попробуем.
You wanna try? You wanna try? Not yet. Хочешь попробовать? Ну, они будут...
Проварилось мясо.
Подожди. Let's try. Готово? Not yet. Еще,
Чуть-чуть
еще по чуть-чуть. A little bit. Almost done. Almost done.
Так, сделай меньше. Я
No,
чуть
like
заливала.
this. Like this. Все, готово. Да, что-то оно хлыкает. Ладно, все. Окей.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're going where? To buy some sauce.
Go downstairs. Small bottle is okay.
Okay,
not
okay.
the big.
Okay, I go. Alright, need to buy some soy sauce and then we go back. See you soon.
Okay. 老公拿过来。
What?
Give me dumplings.
Dumplings.
I add.
Do you add some soy sauce
Yeah.
like this?
Yes.
Okay.
快点。
Okay, I give
拿
you.
过来，老公。
Okay. She asked me to bring dumplings. Говорит, пельмени принеси. Oh,
Вить,
dumplings are
давай я
good.
отнесу. Иди все, пойдем.
Help me. Mom, please help me. Of course. How to add some. So she wants to add some onion and soy sauce on top.
Yes. I use my hands, okay?
Yeah, of course.
And a little bit.
With your hands is the best.
Yes, open the.
Okay, give me. Not like this.
Okay.
I know how to open. So, I'll just put it here. Okay.
Осторожно,
It's
пойдем
not bad.
на край.
Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Одну тарелку пока без соуса.
One
меня
plate
печёнка.
without soy sauce because her stomach.
Actually, you can add, put some soup. Also, you can add some soup.
Суп. А, мне говорит, можно супчик который на южно.
Не надо, нет, не
She
хочу.
said, it's okay.
Oh, okay, okay.
Нет, спасибо.
Okay. How to open?
Я водички.
I know how to open.
I add a little bit.
Yes.
Oh,
So,
you want to
wait.
record?
Yes.
Так, вы садитесь, ешьте, вы голодные.
Okay, let's record.
Одна ложка, одна у тебя, да?
А?
У тебя одна?
But one, I have two
Add
forks.
some soy sauce here.
Soy sauce. Wow.
Okay.
Третью не надо.
This look like
Скажи.
magic.
Не надо, не надо.
No need, no need.
Не надо.
No need. No need. The third one, no need, but it's okay.
Okay.
Окей, мам, уже
Спасибо.
поздно. Соевый соус, сой соус. Мам, извини, уже поздно.
Ну ладно.
Вау.
Mommy. One.
Мам, скажи хоть что-то.
Я сказала.
Скажи ей спасибо там тебе.
Спасибо.
Tasha, thank you.
Я
She
сказала.
says thank you. Wow, dumplings are nice.
Dumplings.
Whew, it's hot.
Too hot.
It's too damn hot.
Так, там ложку
Okay,
убери.
start to eat.
Go.
Uh,
I pick one. Okay. I pick one.
Вот, и ложка.
this
И
looks
вилка.
nice.
Looks
А
so
я
good.
самую большую ложку беру.
My mom is going to pick up the biggest spoon in the world. What's wrong with this camera? I don't know how to use it.
Так, вы где сядете?
Whew. This is
Выключай.
our small table. My mom says, stop it.
Выключай.
Mom, can you say stop it? Mom,
Чё?
скажи, stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Stop it.
Okay. Oh, it's mine. Thank you.
This is yours.
Just leave it here.
Давайте.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
О, боже.
Need to clean it.
Собираемся нормально.
Whew.
Так, красиво, хорошо сделано.
Wow. My mom says it looks nice. Let you show you guys the final result. Chinese dumplings, pork dumplings, onion dumplings. You made it. I'm so happy. You're my girlfriend and you made it.
我是你老婆。
What a wife. Damn, so good. May I kiss you?
Okay, sure.
I'm so happy. Oh guys, what the hell? It's too much. Need to hide it.
Okay.
We're going to eat.
Going to eat.
Okay, let's see.
Так, не
Let's see.
холодно?
1 second.
Николаев.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Nice to meet you. Nice,
Двумики.
nice
Nice
to
to
meet
me.
you.
Ну, да, меня зовут.
Приятно познакомиться. Nice to meet you.
Ну все, ведь давайте кушать.
Okay, let's go to
Можно
eat.
говорить очень долго.
Let's go to eat.
Берите, не
Let's
стесняйтесь.
check. Let's try.
Наливайте.
Yes.
This.
Так,
So-
я смотрю, какие вы тарелки берете, а
Any.
я ту, которую
Any.
вы не возьмете.
любую. So, I want to tell something about this lemonade. It's not an advertisement. This lemonade was famous in China. True?
Так, я
Yes.
самую большую.
1 year ago.
Yes.
Did you drink a lot?
Very popular.
Did you drink a lot of this?
Yes.
How many bottles for 1 year?
How many bottles? 100
Телефон.
bottles.
100.
Ведь,
Yes.
телефон.
It's not my fault.
Ah, нет.
No. 100 bottles. So what's the price for one bottle?
I forgot.
Let's calculate.
I forgot.
How much
Sorry.
money you spent for drinking this
Sorry, I
lemonade?
forgot.
You forgot. What's the name of this in Chinese?
柚香谷，柚香谷。
Okay, yo, sangu.
Так, вы, пожалуйста,
Yes.
ешьте.
Okay, let's eat. Let's
А я
drink.
горячее не буду, а горячее я подожду.
You try my dumplings, please.
Of course,
Okay.
of course.
How you
Я не
taste?
буду пока.
You want to eat? You use. What do you want to use? You want to use a spoon or fork?
Так, тарелки взяли и едите.
Can I use it?
You try one.
Of course.
Очень вкусно, очень хорошо. Молодец.
Wow, my mom says it's good.
Really?
Mhm.
Good.
Yeah, my mom says it's good. Wow. Damn. It's nice.
Так, другой тарелки нету, что ли?
Oh, let me try.
А почему ты ешь, она не ест?
It's your turn. She asked me why you.
好吃吗？
Yeah, 好吃.
好吃，真的。
Can.
Каждый по тарелке
Can
и
好吃.
кушать.
My mom asked why you give me eat, but you don't eat.
Так,
It's not good.
Okay, I will eat one.
Витя,
Okay.
все
My check.
выключаем.
On my check.
Давайте
One
ешьте
kiss on my
нормально.
check.
Все, закончилось. Давай, Вить.
Okay. Dumplings 10 of 10. I swear. Good one.
Положил, все.
Okay,
Давайте
guys.
ешьте.
Sorry. My mom says stop record videos.
Кушать. Перерыв на обед.
She says break, lunch break. Okay.
Все, окей.
So thank you for watching. That's all. No.
Meow meow.